Hello guys, this is your Mark TV and today i-discuss naman natin ang pagpapatuloy ng topic about solving problems involving factoring. So, yung polynomials na involved dito ay perfect square trinomial and other trinomial. So, let's get started. Number 1, find the middle term to make a trinomial 16x squared plus blank plus 25y squared a perfect square, then factor. Ayan. So, gagawin is hahanapin natin yung middle term para makumpleto natin yung perfect square trinomial. So, i-recall natin yung pattern ng perfect square trinomial. So, meron tayong dalawang patterns. We have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared and a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So, ayan po yung patterns ng perfect square trinomial, and nakuha ito by just expanding a plus b quantity squared. Ayan, square of a binomial. Tapos dito naman a minus b quantity squared. Ayan. So, galing siya sa square of a binomial, kaya nabuo itong pattern na to. So, ibig sabihin, dahil nawawala yung middle term, ito yung kukunin, no? I-form siya ng 2ab. Kaya ganon. So, paano natin makukuha yung middle term ng perfect square trinomial? Okay, so, we have 16x squared plus blank plus 25y squared. Ayan. So, sa paghahanap ng middle term is para na rin tayo nag-check kung perfect square trinomial ba yung isang trinomial o hindi. So, kung naalala nyo kung paano natin ginawa, ganito yon. So, kukunin mo muna yung square root ng first term, so that yung 16x squared, square root of 16x squared is 4x. Tapos, dito naman sa last term, 25y squared equals 5y. So, meron na tayong 2 terms, 4x at saka 5y. And then, we use this, no, para i-multiply yung 2, no, because of this one, 2ab. So, yung 2, i-multiply natin sa 2 terms. We have 4x at saka 5y. So, 2 times 4x times 5y. And that is 2 times 4, 8 times 5, 40. 40xy. So, itong 40xy ay kukumpleto sa perfect square trinomial. Kaya, ang nabuong trinomial ay 16x squared plus 40xy plus 25y squared. Ayan siya. Okay? And then, hindi pa tapos kasi ipa-factor pa natin to. No? So, i-express natin itong perfect square trinomial into square of a binomial. So, ano yung 2 terms na binomial na kailangan natin? Yung nakuha nating square roots kanina. 4x at saka 5y. And then, para sa side ng binomial, no, sa gitna ng terms nila, ito masusunod yung sign ng middle term, which is positive. So, positive ang ilalagay natin sa gitna. And then, erase natin sa 2. And there you go. Ito na yung factored form ng perfect square trinomial. Okay. So, next problem tayo. Number 2. The area of the square is 9y squared minus 30y plus 25. Find its side length. Ayan. So, remember the area of the square is, yung formula niya ay a is equal to s squared. Tapos, yung given natin, yung area is 9y squared minus 30y plus 25. Ayan, yan yung given area. Tapos, ang hinahanap is yung side length niya. Okay? Ayan. So, using this formula, a is equal to s squared, area of a square. Ayan. Okay. So, pagpalagay natin ito itong trinomial ito ay isang perfect square. I-check nyo pa rin sa sarili niyo kung talagang perfect square trinomial ito, no? Pero dito, ididiretso natin yung factorization niya. Okay, so from a is equal to s squared, no, we have 9y squared plus minus 30y plus 25. Ayan yung kapalit ng a. Equals yung s squared. Okay? And then i-factor out natin itong trinomial na to. The square root of 9y squared, no, is 3y, and square root of 25 is 5. Ayan. So we have 3y at saka 5. Yan yung terms na kailangan natin. So we have 3y and 5. And then yung side sa gitna is yung side ng middle term ng trinomial. So minus siya, so dapat minus din to. And then erase siya sa 2. So 3, so that we have 3y minus 5 quantity squared equals s squared. Okay? And since may 2 sa both sides na exponent, no, i-cancel na lang natin, no? So that we have s is equal to 3y minus 5 unit. So wala namang nakalagay na unit eh. So ito na yung side length of a square. Yan yung kumbaga itong area, yung buong anong area ng square. Tapos ito yung side length na hinahanap natin, no? So the side length is 3y minus 5, and that's it. Yan lang siya. Okay? So next problem tayo. The volume of the block is 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x. Find the height of the block if the base is a square. So let us analyze the problem first, no? So meron tayong block, no? Bloke or block, parang shape siya ng box, no? Halimbawa ito yung bloke. Yung volume niya is 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x. Find the height of the block if the base is a square. So meaning to say, yung base ng block ay square. Okay? So dahil square yung base, dapat ito yung ito yung base niya, no, square. Ayan, ito yung square base niya. So dapat dahil square base siya, dapat pares yung sukat nito at saka ito. Okay? Dapat pares yung sukat niya. So S, isa pang S, and then yung hinahanap natin na height ay ito. Okay? So remember the volume of the diba, rectangular prism. Katulad din siya dito. Kaya lang ang i-multiply natin is S times H, no? Parang length times width times height. Okay? So volume equals S times H, or should we say S squared times H, kasi dalawang S siya, no? Okay, so sige, given muna tayo para yung given natin is yung volume niya ay 3x cubed plus 24x squared plus 48x. Tapos ang hinahanap dyan is yung height. Okay? Ayan. So yung V, palitan natin ng ito. Okay? 3x squared plus 24x squared plus 48x. Ayan. Ayan, 24x squared plus 48x equals s squared times h. And then saka nating i-factor to. No? Una, kukunin muna natin yung common factors niya. Okay? So kung mapapansin mo, 3, 24 tsaka 48 ay may common factors, which is 3. Yung common factors naman sa variables, no, 3x cube pala to, sorry. Ayan, no, 3x cube yan, ha? X cube, x squared tsaka x, no? So ilabas natin si x, yan yung common factor niya. So therefore 3x ang ilalabas natin mula dito, no? And then sulat natin yung natitirang factors. So we have x squared plus 24 divided by 3, 8x plus 48 divided by 3, 16. Ayan. equals s squared times h. And then, ito, x squared plus 8x plus 16. So, kayo na bahala mag-check kung perfect square trinomial to. Basta ito ay perfect square trinomial. So, diretso factor natin. So, x squared, ang square ng x squared ay x. Tapos, square ng 16 ay 4. So, yan yung kailangan nating terms sa binomial. So, we have 3x multiplied by x at saka 4. Tapos, yung sign is nasa ano yun? Nasa middle term which is positive. So, magiging x plus 4 na siya. And then, erase natin sa 2. Equals s squared multiplied by h. Okay. So, pansinin natin mabuti, no? So, itong x plus 4, naka-squared siya, no? Tapos, dito naman sa right side, mayroong s squared. So, meaning to say, yung s niya or side length should be x plus 4. Okay? Kasi, yung base ng isang block ay square. So, dapat, ito yung sukat ng nasa base. Okay? And kung ito yung nasa base, yung 3x natin ay yung magiging height. At yun ang hinahanap natin. Okay? So, h is equal to 3x. So, therefore, the height of the block is 3x. And we're done sa problem na ito. Okay? So, next problem tayo. Number 4. The area of the rectangular plywood is x squared plus 7x plus 10 square meters. Find the width of the plywood if the length is x plus 5 meters. Ayan. So, given muna. Yung given area natin is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Tapos, yung length is x plus 5. X plus 5. So, ang hinahanap is yung width. Okay. Since ang pinag-uusapan ay area of the rectangle, ang gagamitin nating formula ay a is equal to length times width. Yan yung formula niya. Okay. So, substitute natin yung values. So, a palitan natin ng x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals, yung length natin is x plus 5. Ayan. Times w. Tapos, itong x squared plus 7x plus 10, isa na siyang, hindi na siya perfect square trinomial. So, ang gagawin natin is, kukunin natin yung binomial factors niya. Kung saan, pag binultiply mo gamit ang fold method, ito ang lalabas. Okay? Ang kukunin muna natin is, gaya na ginawa natin noon sa pag-factor nito is, yung sum at saka yung product ng dalawang numbers, no? So, yung sum is, ito, 7. Yan yung numerical coefficient ng middle term. Tapos, yung constant term naman is yung product, which is 10. Tapos, maghahanap ka ng dalawang numbers na yung sum ay ito. Tapos, yung product ay ito. Okay? The sum is 7 and the product is 10. Okay? Dire-diretso tayo, no? So, tuloy-tuloy tayo. So, yung dalawang numbers na yun ay 2 and 5. Okay? Kasi 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? So, next is, sulat natin yung binomial factors niya. So, yung first term natin is x squared. So, dapat yung factors niya ay x at saka x. Yan yung first term ng binomial. Tapos, sa last terms ng binomial ay itong dalawang numbers. Positive 2 tsaka positive 5. So, we have plus 2 and plus 5. Ayun na siya. Yan yung factors niya. X plus 2 multiplied by x plus 5 equals x plus 5 multiplied by w. Okay? So, we have x plus 5 both sides of the equation. So, i-cancel natin sila. And then, ang natira na lang is x plus 2 and then dito w. So, ibig sabihin, yung width natin is x plus 2. At ito na yung sagot sa problem natin. So, the width of the plywood is x plus 2 ang unit natin ay meters. Okay, so this is the answer. Number 5. The cost of goods is defined by the expression m squared minus m minus 56. Factor this expression. So yung given natin expression ay m squared minus m minus 56. At ang gagawin lang is i-factor lang to. Tapos na yung problema natin, di ba? Apply the same process as before. So kunin natin yung sum at saka product, no? Ito yung sum niya, negative 1. Yan, negative 1. Yan yung sum niya. Tapos yung product is negative 56. Tapos maghahanap tayo ng dalawang numbers, no? Whose sum is negative 1 and whose product is negative 56. And those numbers are negative 8 and 7. Tama? Kasi negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. And negative 8 times 7 is negative 56. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ang susunod is yung dalawang binomial factors. Tapos yung m squared natin ay m tsaka m. Yan yung first term natin. Tapos sa second term natin, tapos sa last term ng binomial ay itong dalawang numbers. Negative 8 and positive 7. Ayan. So, tapos na yung problem natin. Number 6. The volume of the box is 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 36x cubic centimeters. The height of the box is 2x centimeters. Find the dimensions of the base. Okay, so given muna tayo. Yung volume is, yung volume natin, 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 36x. Yan. Tapos yung height is 2x. Okay, so capitalize natin. Ayan, tapos ang hinahanap is yung dimensions of the base. So, ibig sabihin yung iba pang sukat ng box. Length at saka width. Ayan. Okay, so gamitin natin yung formula since ang pinag-usapan ay volume of the box. So, ang formula ay volume is equal to length times width times height. Ayan. And then, palitan natin ng expression sa variable. Okay. So, 2x cubed plus 6x squared minus 36x. Yan sa volume, no? Equals, yung height natin is 2x. So, kopyahin muna natin yung length times width times yung height na 2x. Ayan siya. Ano muna, i-factor out natin yung GCF. Okay? So, yung GCF natin is 2, 6, 36, 2. Tapos, x cubed, x squared, tsaka x. 2x yung GCF natin, no? And then, isulat natin yung natitirang factors. So, we have 2x cubed divided by 2x. X squared plus 6x squared divided by this is 3x. And then, 36 divided by 2, 18. Ayan. Then, kopyahin natin to. And after that, i-factor out natin to, no? Itong trinomial na to. So, ito yung sum and ito yung product. And then, hanapin natin yung dalawang numbers whose sum is 3 and whose product is negative 18. So, we have 6, positive 6 and negative 3. Okay, positive 6 plus negative 3 is positive 3 and 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Tapos, okay, so we have two binomial factors here. So, x squared, we have x. Ayan. Tapos, yung second term ng binomial natin ay ito. Positive 6 and negative 3. And that's it. Ito na yung factors niya, no? And then, we have 2x on both sides of equation. So, alisin natin yung 2x. So, itong remaining factors ay kailangan natin. X plus 6 and x minus 3. So, yan yung dimensions ng base. Yan yung length at saka width. Okay? So, the dimensions of the base are x plus 6 centimeters by x minus 3 centimeters. And this is the answer. Ayan. 7. The total distance covered by a car is 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 kilometers in 3x plus 2 hours. Find the binomial that represents the average speed. Ayan. Okay, so given muna tayo. Tapos yung distance daw is 3x squared plus 11x plus 6. Tapos yung 3x plus 2 hours, yan naman yung time. Ayan. Ang hinahanap kasi is yung average speed. So, speed, wala pa yan. Okay? So, ang gagamitin nating formula is distance is equal to time times rate or yung speed. Okay? Yung time, no? Tapos speed. Pag minultiply mo, yan yung magiging distance. Okay, so substitute na natin. So, we have 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals, yung time natin is 3x plus 2. Yan, multiplied by s. Ayan. Okay, so itong trinomial na to, no, may leading coefficient na greater than 1, which is 3. So, para ma-factor natin itong trinomial na to, gagamit tayo ng AC method. Okay? So, gagawin natin is i-multiply natin itong leading coefficient sa constant term. Yan. So, 3 times 6 is 18. Yan yung product natin. Tapos, yung sum, positive 11. Okay? And, yung dalawang numbers na yun ay 2 and 9. Diba? Kasi 2 plus 9 is 11 and 2 times 9 is 18. Okay? So, diretso tayo sa binomial factors. Since yung ano natin, leading coefficient is 3, so let's assume na first terms ng binomial factor ay 3x. Ayan. Tapos, yung last terms ng binomial ay itong dalawa. So, positive 2 and positive 9. And then, di pa to tapos kasi, kagaya nito, i-divide natin itong binomial na to sa kanyang common factor. So, kailangan, kahit isa sa kanila, meron ka dapat ma-divide na common factor, yung binomial. Okay? So, ito, 3 tsaka 2, wala. Pero dito, 3 tsaka 9, meron. So, i-divide natin pareho sa 3. And then, by doing so, kopyahin muna natin 3x plus 2, and this one, no, 3x plus 9 divided by 3, we got x plus 3. Ayan. Equals 3x plus 2 multiplied by s. And meron tayong 3x plus 2 both sides, so alisin na natin. Ang natira na lang is x plus 3 equals s. Okay? So, ito na yung speed natin or yung average speed. So, the average speed is x plus 3. Ano bang unit? Kilometer per hour. Ayan. Kilometer per hour. Ayan yung sagot natin. Okay, so let us move on to the last one. The area of a rectangle is 15x squared minus x minus 2. Find its dimensions. Okay. So, kukunin natin yung dimensions kung saan yung area ng rectangle ay ito. So, given yung area natin is 15x squared minus x minus 2. Ang kukunin natin ay yung dimensions niya. So, we have length at saka width. Yan yung hinahanap natin. No? Kung saan, kapag finactor natin ito, yun ang magiging dimensions niya. Okay? We use the same formula as before. So, A is equal to length times width. Ayan. Tapos, palitan natin ng, yung A ng 15x squared minus x minus 2. Ayan. Equals length times width. And then, once again, yung leading coefficient niya ay greater than 1. So, in this case, 15. Ayan. So, we use AC method to factor this expression, no? So, ito, multiply natin dito sa constant term, magiging negative 30. Diba? 15 times negative 2. Tapos, yung sum niya ay negative, walang nakasulat na 1. So, negative 1 ang sum niya. And these two numbers, huwag natin patagalin to, we have 6 and 5. Tama? Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1 and negative 6 times 5 is negative 30. So, tama. Okay, next, binomial factors. No? So, yung leading coefficient ay 15. So, yung first term ng binomial factors ay 15x muna. Ayan. Tapos, yung pangalawang terms, no, ito, ay negative 6 tsaka positive 5. Ayan. Ayan. And then after nun, para matapos na, is i-divide natin itong binomial sa common factors niya. So, dito, 15 tsaka 6, i-divide natin sa common factor niya, which is 3. Tapos dito naman, 15 tsaka 5, 5 yung common factor niya. Okay? And we have 15x minus 6 divided by 3, magiging 5x minus 2. Tapos dito naman, 3x plus 1. Yan yung quotient nila, no? Equals length times width. And there you go. Ito na yung dimensions ng rectangle. We have 5x minus 2 and 3x plus 1. So, the dimensions of the rectangle are 5x minus 2 by 3x plus 1. And this is the answer to this problem. Ayan, so tapos na tayo sa problems involving factoring. And sana po ay naiintindihan ninyo kung paano natin solve yung bawat problem. Okay? So, kung meron kayong katanungan, mag-comment lang sa video and abangan niyo yung susunod kong uploads. Until then, stay safe sa ating lahat. God bless and have a great day to all.